Good morning, respected principal, dear teachers, staff member, students, and our honorable chief guest. I am Mr. Shobha Rani Kiro,
I am Mr. Raj Kishore Lakra.
and it is our pleasure to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion as we gather here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our great nation, India. Today, Chief Guest Sister Sangeeta Tiga, Provincial Councillor of Lungai, has just arrived now. I request Ms. Rashmita Seth and Mrs. Rajni Kandir to put a badge and present a bouquet of flowers to show a small token of love.
Look it up. So ready. One, two, three, start.
Great pride and joy for Indians as it symbolizes freedom and the beginning of a new chapter in the country's history. This year marks the 78th anniversary of our independence from British rule. On this day, 1947, India became we remember the great freedom fighters who fought for our country's freedom. The Indian flag is hoisted and people sing the national anthem. School, offices and communities held special events to honor this day. Independence Day reminds us to value our freedom and work together to make our country strong and united.
Before we commence with the celebration organized for the day, let us all join in paying tribute to the national flag.
विमान मंच पर सबका निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है। परेड, तीसरा।
Now, we can see our students escorting the chief guest to supervise the students.
my dear parents present over here. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Yes, today we all have gathered here, in fact, to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation. This day stands as a powerful symbol of our hard-won freedom, our enduring unity, and the indomitable spirit that defines us as Indians. It is a moment to honor the countless heroes who have sacrificed their lives for our liberty and to reflect on the remarkable journey we have undertaken as a nation since that historic day in 1947. Dear students, as you stand here today, proudly gathered around the protective and unifying embrace of our national flag, I want you to pause for a moment and reflect on the profound significance of this moment. This flag, what you see today, with its vibrant colors and noble symbols, is not just a piece of cloth that is fluttering in the wind. It is the embodiment of the nation's history, values, and aspirations. You are the future of India. In your hand lies the power to shape the destiny of our great nation. Each one of you carries within you the potential to bring about the positive change, to uplift our society, and to drive our country towards new height to progress and prosperity. Standing here today, you represent the hopes and dreams of countless generations who have come before you, those who have fought for our freedom, who have built the foundations of our democracy, and who have worked tirelessly to make India what it is today. Dear students, now it is your turn to take up this mantle of responsibility to its great height. Remember that this flag which is fluttering in the wind above you is a reminder of unity in diversity, of strength in adversity, and of unwavering spirit that defines us all as Indians. As you look up to it, let it inspire you to dream big, to work hard, and to serve your nation with pride, dedication, commitment, and integrity. You are the architects of tomorrow. Yes, dear students, you are the leaders of tomorrow who will guide us into the future. Whether you aspire to be a scientist, or educators, or doctors, or artists, or business persons, or public servants, know that each one of your contributions will be vital to the continued growth and development of our beloved nation. As you journey forward, carry with you the values that this flag represents, the values none other than courage, truth, justice, and equality. Let these values that you heard it now be your guiding light. This light always leads you, guides you, and shows you the path. Let these values become your guiding light, and let your actions be driven by a deep sense of purpose and commitment to a greater good. So, dear students, as you stand under the umbrella of our national flag today, hold your heads high with pride, and let your hearts be filled with a burning desire to make a difference. You are the future of India. You are the future of tomorrow. And the future is in your capable hands. You all are capable to bring change. Let this change bring or come from oneself first. On this Independence Day, I encourage you to all to take a pledge. What it is? A pledge to be responsible citizens, to strive for excellence in all what you do, and to work hard in building a better, stronger, and more inclusive India, not the exclusive India. Let us cherish our independence and work together to build a nation that we can all be proud of. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sister, for your praises.
चलेगा आएंगे वहाँ 20 मिनट थोड़ा ना 20 मिनट बाद
A most awaited moment. We can see our students marching ahead with great pride and enthusiasm. We can see the children saluting the national flag, our tricolor flying high in the sky with great ambition. सुंदर है जग में सबसे नाम ही न्यारा है, जहाँ जाति भाषा से बढ़कर देश प्रेम की धारा है। निश्चल पावन प्रेम पुराना, वो भारत देश हमारा है।
The national flag of India represents the saffron color, which indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white color indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last color is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. वतन हमारा ऐसा कोई न छोड़ पाए, रिश्ता हमारा ऐसा कोई न तोड़ पाए। दिल एक है जान हमारी, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हम इसकी शान है।
It is good to see our children showing their great energy during the march past, which shows the great respect and love for our motherland. हर एक दिल में हिंदुस्तान है, राष्ट्र के लिए मान सम्मान है। भारत माँ के बेटे हैं हम, इस मिट्टी पर हम सबको अभिमान है।
So it's amazing to watch all of them. Seeing that one nation, one vision, one identity. No nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. मेरी पहचान, मेरा इंडिया।
National Festival of India. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country. East or West, India is the best. I am proud. East.
Thank you.
Thank you.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलययशी श्यामलं मातरं मातरं वन्दे मातरं धिं ता धिं धिना तिरगड़ा धिं धिना धिं ता धिं धिना तिरगड़ा धिं धिना धिं ता धिं धिना तिरगड़ा धिं धिना धिं ता धिं धिना तिरगड़ा धिं धिना
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं, तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा हूं। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कह रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा।
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिंद जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं,